Hi, I'm Robin Eckloff, owner of John's Waterproofing and Crawl Space Repair. We got a list of questions here that homeowners ask us, and many homeowners want to know, what happens if I ignore basement water problems? Well, first of all, you're going to have, biggest concern is going to be mold, mildew, dry rot, things like that, And a lot of people, they say, well, I don't use my basement that much. Well, knowing that 40 to 50% of the air you breathe in your home and your upper levels comes from that basement or crawl space. Just letting water run in and it dries up a few days later, what's happening to that moisture? The moisture is evaporating, coming into the house, could be causing mold and mildew, things like that. You're also deteriorating the concrete, right? The concrete's down there, it's the foundation of your home. If water keeps going through it, there could be a problem with that. So call John's Waterproofing and Crawl Space Repair. We'll come out there, resolve your water problem once and for all.